You may come across a scenario wherein you have added the latest collection of your products on your digital catalog and you would want to highlight them to potential customers. Or there can be another scenario wherein you are offering special discount on certain product and again you would want to highlight them in front of the potential customers who are visiting your digital catalog. Can that be done? Can that product highlight be done? Yes, it is possible. It can be done very easily using the labels feature on your digital catalog. So without spending any more time, let's understand how you can create and apply labels on the products on your digital catalog. So the obvious first step is to log into your GlobalLinker account, and once you have logged in, you have to click on online store to open the seller panel. So this is the seller panel of this demonstration store. Now we have to navigate to catalog and label. So in the left navigation, you have to click on catalog, and after that you have to click on tags and labels to be precise, and which will open the tags and label management interface. And here you'll have to click on the labels tab. In case you haven't created any label, then this label creation interface will open up automatically. So this is where the first field is label name, and this is where you can give it a name. I'm just giving it new as the name. And then there are various designs or layouts of these labels which are available. This is selected already. So let's select this one. Now, in addition to selecting these designs, you also have an option that you can add your own design, and the dimensions of that design are also mentioned here. Now we have selected this design. Now we have to input what should be the text which should get displayed here. So we'll add new arrivals. Guys, so here you can see new arrivals, and let's make it new arrival. So here it is new arrival. Now it is in one line as well. So this is the text which we have added. We have added it here, and you can see this is how it is appearing. Now the background, which is currently blue, it is not very highlighting. It is not looking very attractive. So we'll change it to something which is very eye catchy. So we'll change it to red. So now it is looking very eye catchy. The background text white is looking okay. So that is something we'll leave as it. We'll not make any changes to that. But if you want to make change, you can do it from here. You can import and you can make the text color change as well. Now we have to enable the label. So we'll enable it. And in terms of visibility, you should ensure that you're selecting either B2C or you're selecting both. Don't select B2B because that is a selective visibility. Unless you are using the supply chain feature which is here, then you can consider using B2B. So that's where the label will be visible to the selected trade partners that you have onboarded using the supply chain capability. Otherwise, you should select B2C or both. I will select both in this case, and we'll click on save. And you can see the label has been created. So this is the label, how it is appearing. Now, the second part of our journey or our activity is to apply this label to the products. And for that, we have to navigate to the product management interface. So for that, we have to click on this option which says products, which will open the product management interface. This is the product management interface. Now let's select a product on which we would want to apply this label. So let's select this product. So I'm just copying the name of the product and we will paste it here. In your case, you will know the product on which you would want to apply. So you can just straight away click on edit. So this is the product on which we would want to apply this label. Now there are multiple ways which are available in which you can apply a label to the product. The first one is you can click on edit, and if you scroll down, that's where you will see there is a field which says product label. So here you have to start typing the name of the label and it will start appearing here. So you don't have to just type, you can start typing, you don't have to type the entire thing. And here you can see it has started appearing as a prompt. So you have to select that and then you can click on save. I'll not do that because I would want to show you the other method as well. So that was the one method which we saw. And now let's see the other method. The other more convenient method which you can use is you can just select the product like this using the radio button, and then in this drop down where you are seeing a down pointing arrow at joining bulk action, you can click there and then you have this option which says add label. Here you can see it says add label, so you can click on that and it will open this overlay. On this overlay, again the same thing, you have to type the name of the label, or if it is something that you have recently created, it will appear automatically the moment you will click there. Click on and select the label. So this is the new label that we want to apply, and then click on save, and the label will get applied onto the product. It will take a couple of seconds for it to get applied. So the label is applied, and we can close the overlay. Now the third method to apply the labels is in bulk. So for that, you can download this file. You can click here and download a file. I've already downloaded the file. This is the file which gets downloaded. I'll just zoom in a little bit so that the content on the Excel file is a little bigger. Now here you can see there's a column which says label, or the title of the column is labels. And here again, what you have to do is you have to just type the name of the label, and once you are done, so this will allow you to apply labels in bulk, right? So more than one product. There, the other process which I was showing to you, that's where you are applying label one product at a time, or you can select multiple products and apply them. Now this is where you can do that literally in bulk, so you can apply it in multiple products. So you have to just type the name of the label, and name of the label. Again, if you would want to check where can you see the name of the label, so I'll quickly take you to the label management interface. This is the label name. This is something that you have to, you can even copy paste it here, and once you are done, save this file, and then go back to the product management interface, and here you have to use this column which says update product, and upload that file, and the label will get applied. Now we have already applied that label onto the product, so let's see how it is appearing. So here you can see it is showing new arrival. Now it is definitely catching the eye. So here, if we are on this page and there are a lot of identical looking products, still this is standing out. So we have created a label for new arrival. In the similar fashion, you can change the text. So instead of writing new arrival, you can type sales or something, hot deal, etc., right? So you can type those kind of content, and you can create the label. Now this label is not just displayed on the category listing page. For a moment, if we quickly go to the product detail page, that's where again the label continues to get displayed. So this is how you can create and apply labels on the products on your digital catalog. I hope you found the tutorial video informative. If you need any help or assistance, the contact details of our help desk are provided in the description of this video.